Need a medic here, stat!
Oh, hold on, sir! No, don't move! You were in a terrible car accident. You're at the hospital.
Need some help over here.
Get him to the ER! Down the hall, past radiology! Move it!
All right, coming through!
IV is open. How's his pulse? Blood pressure? 85/40. Pulse is 120 and steady. Possible hypotension from blood loss. Where's the doctor? I'm here. Let's save this man's life. Whew, that was a close one. Looks like you'll live to crash another day.
Oh, thank you, doctor. All better. Oh boy, you saved my life. Good job, I'm fixed.
Bye! Bye!
Thanks, bye now. Thanks, bye-bye, guys. Thanks, bye, see ya. Gosh.